Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this half boiled egg. So this is very simple and easy way to make this bread, and it is very tasty also. So eat it and try my recipe, and if you like this, please get my channel, subscribe and like my videos if you like it. You can download my app to directly assist to my channel. So please download my app, Damini's Kitchen. Link is given in description, and you can watch my videos on Facebook by pressing the watch video button on Facebook, and like my Facebook page Damini's Kitchen also. Please watch the video.
For making this half boiled egg, firstly put some oil onto the griddle. This is very simple and easy recipe to make this egg, and I will show you how to make this half boiled egg. Now take this egg and you need to cut it down like this, and the griddle should be heated properly. Now I will add this on this like this, and you need to cook it on lower flame. Now evenly spread it and make it round like this. When it is cooked, you can see that half of the portion get cooked. Now take this bread. This is the topmost bread that I'm using. So the topmost portion of the bread I'm using here. And when this is cooked, now you need to carefully put this bread at the last of this. To eat this bread with the sandwich. You can see my recipe of how to make sunrise sandwich for making this also. Now carefully transfer this onto the bread. I can see that it gets transferred, and the rest of the egg should be cooked. Now when this is transferred, now you need to put some salt, and you need to switch off the flame when this is cooked. Bread is also get cooked, and add some red chili powder and add some onions over it. If you want to make the sandwiches from it, then you can apply one more sandwich here. So now this half boiled eggs is ready to eat. I will show you. You can see that it is very tasty and simple way to make this half boiled egg. You can try it at your home, and if you like this recipe, please get my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it, guys. You can follow me on Twitter also. You can like my Facebook page also, guys, and download my app Damini's Kitchen also. Thanks for watching.